noticed this? You know English perfectly, but when it's your turn to speak, you hesitate, pause, or even go blank. I have been there too, and I realized something important. Fluency doesn't come from knowing more grammar, it comes from practicing speaking every day. One of the best ways to improve your English is to speak every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Even just 5 to 10 minutes can make a huge difference. Talk to yourself about your day, describe what you see around you, or record yourself speaking. The key is consistency, not perfection. Small daily habits lead to big improvement over time. One common problem is translating from your native language. It slows you down and makes you hesitate. Instead, just focus on the idea you want to say. Then the words flow naturally. For example, instead of thinking, how do I say this in English? Just say, I think or I feel. This keeps your English natural and confident. Listening is a superpower for speaking. Watch YouTube videos, podcasts, or movies and repeat small sentences exactly as they say them. Copy the rhythm, tone, and flow. Even if your English isn't perfect, over time your speaking will sound more natural and fluent. Many learners stay silent or waiting for perfect grammar or perfect words. Here's the truth: speaking first and improving later works much better. Mistakes are part of the process. Every fluent speaker started by making them. Ideally, practice with real people, friends, classmates, or colleagues. But if that's not possible, that's okay. You can also practice by talking with AI. What matters is simple: keep speaking regularly. Remember, improving English speaking is not about perfection, it's about speaking consistently, thinking in English, and practicing every day. If you spoke a little today, comment day 15 done. Tomorrow we'll talk about how to speak confidently in group discussions. See you tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep improving. Thank you for watching.